Morning, morning. New week. Happy Monday. You guys miss me? so, okay. So, I have a few watches, like four or five that I really, really like. You guys have it on my Discord. Microsoft, Apple, Carvana, Tesla are the ones that I like. Amazon also. I think Amazon 140 is very easy. Apple 178, Microsoft 350, Tesla if it give us a pullback to 320, 220 to 19. Um Carvana 35. So you guys have my levels and what I'm looking to trade today. Same with the SPY and QQQ levels. Kind of want to see SPY and the Q go a little bit higher so it can go to my level, to my resistance levels, and see how I react there. But right now it's kind of in the middle. I want to see SPY going to 438, as close as possible to 438. And maybe play the reaction there. Morning, morning, welcome. Microsoft a pullback to 350, 178, very important on Apple. Very, very important on Apple. And Tesla, it's gapping up hard. I was expecting for Tesla to gap down, honestly, because that daily candle on Tesla was ugly. Ew, sorry. So yeah, we're about to start in like a few seconds. Hi, hi, welcome guys. Hola, morning, morning. Um, Morning. So let's see where we're going today. If I'm being honest, if the market keeps going higher, I don't know what to trade because I don't feel comfortable keep trading the upside. It's like how much, more can you go up in just like 5 days? And the market has a bunch of gaps above. I'm sorry, below. So I'm looking for an upside, like here in the few first minutes in the morning, and then maybe a rejection there. But we'll see. Yeah, 370 is the level that I'm watching on the queue, and SPY is between 437 and 438. SPY is a little bit tricky because even 436 it can act as resistance. Then Microsoft is like crazy strong. To the moon? Well, this is how I see the market right now. I'm expecting like maybe like the first few days this week, like the first few days in this week, maybe some consolidation, a little pullback, and then keep going higher because we already have August, September, and October red. I don't think the market is gonna give us a November also red. And November, it's the start of the Santa rally most of the time. And for me to play the upside, I need some type of pullback, like on the daily chart, like at least one or two red days. I'm watching Apple here, the 177.50, the 178 level. But I'm gonna be very, yeah, it's a big one, I know. Look. Look the size of the cup and my face. I have a small face, but still. I like that reaction there on Spy, but I want to see it's rejecting pre-market high and yesterday high, but I kind of want to see Microsoft rejecting here also and Apple. So far, I like this rejection on Spy, but Spy's been so strong the past few days that I'm kind of scared to play the downside here. I like Tesla if can go back down to 220 219. Nvidia if can hold 450 452, yeah, I can give you a more upside. Well, let's see. Let's be patient, but I can already see a spy in the queue kind of having trouble around Friday's high. I'm just getting ready and see um if I want to play a spy on the Q rejection there with futures. But like I said, first I want to see Microsoft and Apple being a little bit weak. Okay, I like that on Microsoft, and I'm gonna enter one here. Let's just see. Above 436 is gonna be my stop loss. If I see it like going a little bit higher here, I'm gonna add more. I'm playing the spy downside, possible downside. Apple is very, very strong here. I want to see Apple rejecting 178, 177.50. This red level that I have here. But I'm definitely early because I didn't wait for confirmation of 178 rejection on Apple. Okay, so um tag is very strong. So it looks like we're gonna keep going higher today so far. Mm, 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 mm. Damn, the queue is flying. The queue is flying. This move on the queue is definitely very, very bullish. If a spy uses this 436 as support, I'm gonna get out. Let's watch how 370 is gonna react here on the queue. $370 on the queue, 178 on Apple. I like how SPY is having so much trouble here. It's definitely weaker than tech, but I think it's a little bit early because Apple can still like break 178. And that's definitely not gonna help my play. But so far, I kind of like my entry here on that SPY rejection. Microsoft is crazy strong. Tesla and Nvidia are holding so far. Um, Tech is holding very good, but I like this reaction on SPY. And I like this reaction also on the Q so close to 370. It could still like hold VWAP and keep going higher till 370. There's no doubt. But I kind of find it difficult that it's gonna break 370. Maybe I'm just biased because the market's been up so much that I feel like uncomfortable playing the upside here. But who knows? Let's be patient here and wait. I want to see Tesla go back to 220 so bad. Okay. Okay. I like that. Let's see if it's gonna lose pre-market low. That will be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of profit here. Oh no, I bought one. I bought one by mistake. I wanna see some continuation here. Mm, Tesla is looking weak. Apple is rejecting 178. Okay, I like that. I want to see SPY and the Q losing pre-market low. Okay, so the Q is definitely holding pre-market low as support, which is bullish. Microsoft is going higher, which is obviously bullish. Apple is consolidating under 178, which for me so far is bullish. SPY is the only one that is looking weak. So I think for SPY it's gonna be kind of difficult to go lower with tech being holding so strong. Damn, Apple, crazy. Yeah, I got out. I don't want to play against Apple and Microsoft going higher. Very small win, but green is green, right? But the Q is having trouble here in SPY also. I don't know. I think this is kind of difficult for me to trade. But if I see SPY losing pre-market low, I'm gonna re-enter here on a retest of pre-market low. Mm, 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 mm. I re-enter there. I want to see losing this pre-market low here and use it as resistance because the Q now is looking weak, which is gonna help SPY go lower. Mm, mm, mm. I don't know today with how SPY and the Q are looking. It's kind of difficult for me to trade today. This with the Q kind of looking like with Apple and Microsoft going higher. The Q is holding even though it's looking weak right now. SPY is looking very weak. Maybe we just have a top day today, a consolidation day. Most of the time is very choppy. But I'm gonna be patient here. If SPY cannot break VWAP and use it as support, I'm gonna hold. If use VWAP as support, I'll get out. Morning. Apple is crazy strong. Crazy. I want to see a SPY filling this gap till 430, 431. I hope we can get that gap filled today, but I don't know. The Qs look like it's about to lose it here. Yeah, so right now the market is on a for me is on a very difficult level to play because it's been up for too much in a very short period of time. So for me, it needs some pullback. But just because I think the market should be doing something doesn't mean it's gonna do that. So that maybe plays against me because I'm biased on the short, on a pullback on the short side today. But at the same time, SPY and the Q right now are looking very weak. But Microsoft is holding so far, even though the 5 minute candles have a lot of wicks at the top. So honestly, I don't like anything. I'm watching Tesla that is going to 220. So if we can Tesla can hold 220, I'll be looking to play the upside. But when it comes to futures with a SPY in the queue, I don't know. And I knew it was gonna be like that for me because I always have trouble trading when the market goes up. Well, it moves any direction so strong so fast. Yeah, I'm gonna look. Um, mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I do think that, George. I do think the market is doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna be patient here and see if SPY is gonna use the VWAP as support or resistance. So far, it looks like it's gonna be a loser for me. Robinhood? You mean the stock or the app for? I don't like the Robinhood stock, honestly. Okay, Tesla is at 220. Let's see if I can get a some consolidation there or any bullish candle at 220 and maybe I'll get in and play the upside. Nvidia is also looking good to play the upside. But it needs to break pre-market high. Kind of fighting there. Damn, what's that? This is so choppy. This is so choppy here. Mm -mm -mm. I definitely don't like my trade, but the spike it's rejecting the VWAP, so I gotta wait. Okay, I like the reaction there. Are we gonna get the real meltdown that I'm waiting? So I'm looking for a spy to go first to 434.60 around there, and then 433. I'm playing the downside on futures, playing this rejection on SPY. So far, the daily candles on SPY in the queue, I know it's very early, but so far the daily candles on SPY in the queue look a rejection day. Same with the all the bigger time frames are definitely rejecting important levels. But I want to see more continuation here. Oops, wait. Okay. Give me more. Just lose the pre-market low. Come on. I need SPY to lose 435. I'm kind of mad at myself because I should have held my first entry. That was a perfect entry there. Hmm. This is so slow. The market's been open for 30 minutes and I feel like I've been here like 2 hours in this trade. Watching this. Hey Andrew, welcome. Ooh, I wanted to ask you guys, um, what you guys would like for Black Friday, like gift or a Black Friday discount, anything that you guys would like me to do for Black Friday? I'm looking for suggestions. Any like Black Friday discount, gift, anything. I need ideas for Black Friday. Ooh, Tesla's losing 220. 1K, please? What do you mean with 1K? 1K giveaway? I'm not gonna give away money. Discount mentoring? I did that on for Halloween. I did a 20% discount on mentoring. But maybe I repeated. Donuts? My one-on-one? One free masterclass? Okay, that's a good one. But honest, that's a good one, but one 101 or one masterclass is not gonna do anything for you, honestly. You're not gonna do anything just watching me one time. You see me here every single day on the stream, so and with a lot of people asking me a lot of things, only one masterclass I don't think it's gonna be too helpful. Maybe to get to know me better, but I don't know. Okay, that's what I want to see. Just give me 434. I want 433 and then the gap. Am I gonna get that? I don't know. I find it a little bit difficult. We need some continuation here. At least, I want to see a spy coming back here to 434.60 around there because I can definitely see a little support there. Yeah, I can see some support there. So if it gets near to here, I'm gonna sell some contracts there. Black Friday protein bar. Look, I have a bunch of protein bars here. We're gonna do a review today. I have 4 different flavors here. 4. Dating the life. You guys will be bored if I do a vlog of my day-to-day life because I'm not fancy. I don't have like expensive cars or watches. I don't care about that. Okay, I like that spy. I want you on my green zone so I can sell a few. I want Apple to lose 178. 177. The in the live aftermarket. Okay, I like that move on spy. Yeah, I'm so mad at myself that I sold my initial entry on SPY. I sold one there. I sold another one. Mm, Honestly, I just spend my money like helping my family in Venezuela growing their business. They have a very cool business there, and I kind of wanted to like um bring in here. It's an ice cream sandwich business, and they're killing it there. So I don't really spend much. I save a lot. In the past, I invested on a friend's restaurant, and that was a very bad investment. I lost money, and it was very stressful. I invest there because I wanted like to put my money to work without me working, and I ended up working more than ever. Caracas, me encanta. Yeah, Caracas is great. My family is from Caracas. Yeah, that's honestly all I wanted to learn to trade because I wanted to have money so I can help my family. They're not struggling or anything, but I just wanted to give them back everything and more that they did for me. Tinajero. Okay, so Microsoft is still holding very good. Apple so far is holding. Um, yeah, it's holding my level. It's holding 178, 177. Microsoft keep going higher, but with it has a lot of wicks at the top. What's pre-market? Oh, and the Q is right at pre-market low. It filled a little gap that made overnight or when it opened after pre-market, and it's holding there. SPY, it's also holding, filled the gap, and it's holding so far. We might have like just a choppy day today, which is not like it's kind of expected after such a big move. Kind of, I'm expecting so like 1 maybe 3 days of consolidation around here, like maybe little red days, but not like big move to the downside. Okay, I'm all out. What? This thing didn't feel me right. I honestly don't like how the market's moving today. I'm expecting a choppy day. Yeah, I think I'm done trading also. I'm watching um Tesla to 20 to 19, see if it's gonna hold there, and maybe I play the upside. But this is still looking weak. I'll be back. I need to go to pee. I need to go to the bathroom. Okay. I pass the evaluation accounts, just how I'm trading here. The first ones I traded minis, but now I'm only trading micros. Hmm. I'm gonna go with Tesla. Let me see. What? Tesla calls weekly 225. Stop loss is under 219. Because minis, have you traded futures before? With one mini move is way bigger than micros. Micros are, it's like playing with a smaller size, less risky. I also like Apple to the upside here, to play the upside. If can hold um 177 80 around there, 177. When you have it a day that is giving you this type of move here, you know it's gonna be choppy. Like look this. It have a bunch of wicks at the top, bunch of wicks at the bottom, when you have a bunch of wicks at the top, it's clear rejection, but with Microsoft and Apple holding, um, it's very difficult to keep trading the downside here. And even with the SPY, like I could definitely trade again, do again the same trade because the SPY is again rejecting the VWAP. But it's so choppy that I don't want to risk money here. So I made a little bit under 800 with futures. And it's a small day for me, but I don't know if I want to keep trading this choppiness. Look, it's been SPY in the queue extremely choppy. And I really like this rejection on SPY. I just don't want to keep trading the downside with Apple and Microsoft looking bullish. Yeah, like TSLA if can hold to 20 to 19. The Q it's doing a bunch of nothing. Let me see how is the premium on Apple. Because Apple is holding my level. 178, 177.50 is my level on Apple. IV is 23.70, which is good. What's next resistance on Apple here? 1 cent. So basically today's high is also Apple resistance. Um, yeah, I don't like anything. I don't love anything. I find, yeah, today for me, it is a very tricky day to trade. I kind of like, I like the Q, how it's holding here. I like how the Q is holding here, Apple is holding 178, but it is still weak, like keeps rejecting VWAP. Okay, let's do some protein bars review. Okay, I have the all are the barbells brand. We have the chocolate dough. We have the cookies and cream and the caramel cashew. I kind of want to try this one. Mm. I'm gonna go for the caramel cashew. It has 200 calories, 8 grams of fat, 18 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, and 20 grams of protein. Looks like this. Looks very crunchy. You know, it's not crunchy at all. It's very chewy. It tastes very good. Mm. Damn, this one's very good. Hmm. Um, no, my breakfast is most of the time is just eggs, one egg, a bunch of egg whites, and then and veggies. I'm gonna grab the Q1 contract to the upside. I'm gonna buy two. I like the hold on Apple. I like how the Q is holding, and I like the Q 30-minute charge so far. It's a very small play. It's a small play, and I'm not really expecting too much. Maybe a retest of morning high, and I'll get out. No, I don't. I never played zero DT, and I'm trading futures based on my um SPY and QQQ charts. But this trade is more based on how well Apple and Microsoft are holding. I'm gonna put Tesla here because Tesla is working out. Nvidia is also holding very, very, very good. Oh, by the way, today is the last date of the 90% off Apex accounts. So if you want to try futures, make sure to go to Apex and use that 90% off. 90% discount. Okay, I like that move. I like how it's holding. But keeps rejecting. Mm-mm-mm-mm. That's a good move on SPY. On SQ, let's see. I haven't checked SQ in a while. Damn, it's looking very weak. And you have a big gap here. I could easily see SQ going down to the 47 support. Easy. Why? Yeah, 47 support. And if we lose that support, you have 46, and then the entire gap is a big one. Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna, I don't know because the market is holding, so, and SQ is tech, so I don't know if he's gonna fill that gap today. Okay, I like the move. Give me 100. I just want 100. I just want 100 on this play. 103. 103. I want 103. So I can have 200 for the day. And I'll be around 1700 in total. Mm. Okay. I like the move. Tesla's looking good. SPY is definite with the big bounce. Apple looking great also. Microsoft too. We're kind of cold now. Ooh, I want to see Tesla breaking the VWAP. Okay. 105. I'm gonna sell one. Just one. I don't have a target on Tesla, honestly. I just got Tesla because that 220 level was my level and the risk to reward was too good. But if you're in Tesla, I would take some profits here. In fact, I'm gonna go and take some profits. Maybe breaks the VWAP, maybe not. But so with this type of trade, you just gotta go, okay, what's your next resistance? Your next resistance is like where it is right now, the VWAP. And then what's the next one? The next one is 223, around 223, which is around morning low and pre-market low. That's your next resistance. And the market is moving higher, but SPY it's near the 436 resistance and the Q is near the 370 resistance. So you gotta see, like, check it out how everything's moving, and based on that, just take profits. Especially with a choppy day. Because if it was a trendy day, I would say, okay, this is my PT, this is my price target or target. But on a choppy day, it's more for like scalping. I'm all out. Okay, I got my $200 on each account. Um, so I made 1600 there. 1600 on a choppy day, not bad. I thought I was gonna end. I honestly thought I was gonna be red. Mm-mm-mm. So yeah, I don't think the market's gonna do anything. Look, this is so choppy. No clear trend today. Both the SPY and the Q. Some people love this type of move because scalper most of the time because they get in like very quick. Let's just say with a SPY they get near 436, which is the level of resistance, and play the downside, and then they're gonna wait and for this support here, and played a little bounce there. But if the market is weak and goes lower, SQ is definitely gonna at least go to 47. But I don't think it's gonna fill this entire gap today. Apple is rejecting this level of resistance here. Yeah, what a mess. What a mess. Mm-mm. Ooh, wait, because if Apple loses 170, loses the VWAP, then the Q is gonna die. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Then that's an ugly rejection of VWAP on Tesla. I'm looking to maybe play the downside here on the Q because Microsoft is looking not looking too hot now. But I need first Microsoft to lose a VWAP to play the downside on the Q. Mhm. This is so boring. So boring. Nothing happening here. Okay. Okay. Um, I think I'm done for the day. I don't think it's worth playing this, guys. There is no direction here. The market is literally flat. Doing nothing. Nothing at all. Apple so far is looking very bullish. It's holding 178, 170, 177.50 as a board. So basically it's holding previous resistance or support, but 179 is a resistance too. So this is a tricky big level on Apple. Um, what else? Microsoft is also holding. So with if you have Microsoft and Apple holding or looking bullish, I don't think the market is gonna die. Which I think is what's happening here. Also, I was expecting today to be an either an inside candle, daily candle, or like something like this, like a little pullback, maybe some consolidation, but do nothing because the market is very bullish, but it needs some a little bit of cool off to keep going higher in November and December. Small day for me, but green is green. So yeah, I'm done trading. I don't think I'm gonna keep trading this. This is too boring. The market's doing nothing. Um, so yeah. Um, $200 on each account. Not bad. I can't complain. Tesla. Okay, so I'm holding Tesla. I already took some profit, but I'm gonna hold Tesla unless it loses 2 days low, I will say. 219 around there. Maybe I'll leave it if it can hold Friday's low, but most likely 219. I want to see Tesla holding 220, 219 for more upside. So yeah, thank you guys for being here. Oh, by the way, we passed the 1500 subs here on the channel, so I'm super happy. Super happy. No, I don't think I got any message on Discord. Nope. I don't have any new message on Discord. So yeah, super happy. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for subscribing. We are 1500 now. This little channel is growing little by little, but I'm happy that it's growing. Yeah, thank you guys. Oh, by the way, don't forget that today is the last day for the Apex 90% discount. So you have the link and the code there on the chat. You have it here. This is the link and the code for the 90% discount on Apex. And I see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Ciao.